What's up, everybody? Welcome to my channel. It's your boy Dio coming at you guys with another review. Today we're going to be looking at a Comme des Garçons times Nike Bomber. Let's get into it. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. It helps the channel out so much. Like I said, we're going to be getting to a CDG times Nike Bomber. Now this is a CDG black, so it's not like a standard CDG. It's part of their line of like play. Then they have black, and then I think they have some other ones as well. I'm most familiar with play and black because they collab with Nike. I'm going to show you guys this one. Well, you're not going to be able to see the whole thing, and it's going to be kind of hard to see details because the way this is, it's in black. So it's gonna have the Nike in black Comme des Garçons right here. This is made in Japan, so as you guys can see right here, it has a made in Japan tag. It has the black Comme des Garçons piece right there with the tag. And then you're gonna have all the normal, tags, because it is brand new. And like I said, a 2XL, $56 retail. This is a piece that I haven't really seen any others of. And I think this one is super cool, and it actually fits a little bigger than most of the other pieces that they have in the collection. I could definitely say this will fit like an XL. Also, looking down, let's see if we can go into the buttons. You should have not a size tag, another tag in here that explains about the materials. I'm guessing a little bit of nylon and polyester. Let's see if I can look. Actually, I guess just 100% nylon. For washing this, it says hand wash warm, obviously do not iron and do not dry clean. The tag is kind of nice. See right there. And like I said, this is made in Japan. So this was Japan exclusive. You're not going to really see these types of pieces out here in the US unless someone, I guess, kind of imported them. And that's if really people know about them, because these are super hard to find. And it's just like market is all over, so you don't really know what these go for. I mean, they're not cheap, but they sometimes go for a little cheaper than you would expect. Also, a weird little feature that they have for an adjustable waist is they have 2 strings. I think this feels really cheap. And this hoodie actually doesn't feel that nice, which is kind of disappointing. I was hoping that it was a little more heavyweight, but this seems like almost a packable hoodie, or I guess bomber. I would think that they would have put maybe a little higher quality, but this isn't a Nike quality piece, which I've kind of been saying in all the videos. I believe this is a Comme des Garçons piece that Nike just allowed them to throw their brand on, because it doesn't feel like any pieces that Nike ever comes out with. And it's just something that's kind of unique. Like I don't see Nike ever really producing something like this. And like I said, it's super lightweight. It has the different tongue or the different tag, and it doesn't even have their product number in it. So that's why I would say that this is not probably an official Nike product. This is something that, they just say, hey, Comme des Garçons, it's cool. We okay it, throw it on one of your pieces and throw our swoosh. So they have different, right here, I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but it says Nike Country, which is actually kind of cool because there's a couple old tees that are like this. Some like a vintage vibe right here as well. But you can't really read it. It's my biggest problem. I wish they would have made it into something that was maybe a little more bright or could pop out. Maybe even done like more of a charcoal gray, because it's just kind of hard to see from a distance. It looks kind of cluttered, and it doesn't look, it doesn't look as crisp as I personally would like it. Let's get into some more details. So you have cuffed wrists, which is kind of unique, but kind of standard. Right there on both. On the front, you're gonna have all the buttons as you guys saw. Something I'm doing, and then you're gonna of course have a collar, which is kind of unique. And you're gonna have 2 pockets. The pockets really aren't big at all. Like the pockets are pretty small. And like I said, this jacket's quality doesn't really feel that high quality to me. For something like a Nike Lab piece, or I don't know, something that you would expect for this price range, I would think it'd be a lot higher quality. And I wish that they could put, Comme des Garçons on their pieces. I wish that, what I mean by that is, I wish Comme des Garçons would get their, all their tags and whatever thrown onto Nike's quality pieces, because I don't feel like the quality on this is that nice. And especially with the sizing, it's just a little weird. I wish that it was just thrown on something that Nike had so I could kind of fit it better. And I feel like they would have just been able to put it on cooler pieces. I will try to get that play. I don't know if you guys have seen it, that Nike times Comme des Garçons play hoodie. I think that looks super dope. And I'll let you guys know about that one and see if the quality on that one is a lot better, because it looks more like a Nike piece. And I'm wondering if that's what they're kind of switching to. I believe these pieces were in 2020 when they released, maybe 21. They've seemed like they had a 2-year like span of just releasing black times Comme des Garçons, or black Comme des Garçons times Nike pieces. So let me know what you guys think. I will get you guys, of course, the up close details so you guys can see it a little better. It's a little hard in the closet, but I also in my living room, while I kind of switched it to more in here, it's because of echoing in my voice. I wanted you guys to be able to hear me a little better, have better audio quality. And I felt like it'd be a little better in here, but I still want to kind of show you guys the piece. So I'm gonna have to figure out how I'm gonna transition this to be like a smoother, video for you guys and make it, the best, so you guys can definitely see the products in good detail. And like I said, I hope you guys really enjoyed. Before I start rambling on, thank you guys for watching. I won't be doing a try on at the end of the video. I would definitely say this fits more towards an XL. Still a little small on me. I'm 6'3", 225 pounds for sizing reference. But I definitely think if you're maybe a little shorter, this would definitely work. And if you normally wear an XL, you would have to get a double XL on this piece. So check out my other videos though. Like I said, ton of content, Nike Lab, Nike Tech. Thank you for watching. I'm out.